Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will play cooking. This is my kitchen and we will cook many stuff today. Okay, let's start cooking. First, we need to cut the foods and then we can cook it. Let's cut the fish first. This fish has no bones. This has many bones. That's why it's simple. Okay, let's give another vegetable. Let's give chili. Okay, first let's eat the fish. Then we can have some chili, spicy. Take a plate. The fish is already wow, it smells delicious. Put it in the plate. Yummy. So yummy. I think it will be very delicious. But we need some space to cook it. Okay, let's now cut the chili. Now let's cook it. Wow, it's a blue plate too. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay. 1, I think 1 is the way. I almost fell everything. Now let's cut the raw pumpkin. And wow, what's this? Okay, I hope that is really good. Let's close it to the okay, let's wait. Okay, it's cooking. That time, let me cut a guava. Guava, my favorite. I love grape too. I love both of them. They're very delicious. Let me have the guava in the checkerboard. Oh, I think that the Raw pumpkin is ready. Okay. Oh, it smells very delicious. Okay. Okay, now let's eat. Pasta raw pumpkin. Ah, delicious. Next, the yummy chili. Spicy. Let's have the fish. That was the yummy one I never eaten before. Add the guava now. That was delicious. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.
एक मिनिट